Using coupons on Allchina Buy is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your purchases. To get started, you need to create an account on the Allchina Buy website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, browse through the various products available on the website and select the items you want to purchase. When you find a product you like, click on it to view its details page. On this page, you will see a section that says Apply Coupon. If you have a coupon code, enter it in the provided field and click Apply. The discount will be deducted from the original price of the product. To find coupon codes, you can visit the Allchina Buy website and look for the coupon section. Here, you will find a list of available coupons that you can use on your purchases. You can also find coupon codes on other websites that specialize in offering coupons and promo codes. When using coupons on Allchina Buy, it is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of each coupon. Some coupons may have restrictions, such as minimum purchase requirements or expiration dates. Make sure you understand these restrictions before applying the coupon to your purchase. In addition to using coupon codes, Allchina Buy also offers other discounts and promotions that you can take advantage of. For example, you can get discounts for bulk purchases or for purchasing products during special promotional events. To stay informed about these discounts and promotions, you can sign up for the Allchina Buy newsletter or follow the company on social media. To apply a coupon to your purchase, simply add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, you will see a field where you can enter your coupon code. Enter the code and click Apply, and the discount will be deducted from your total. Using coupons on Allchina Buy is a great way to save money on your purchases. By following these simple steps and staying informed about available coupons and promotions, you can get the best value for your money. Remember to always read and understand the terms and conditions of each coupon before applying it to your purchase.